everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Paula with Paula's Imperfect Plans. Here on my channel, I share my personal planning and budgeting journeys as the sole planner in my household. We live in the Midwest, we're in our mid-30s and really just working on getting our life together. So today I have a weekly plan with me. My main everyday carry that I do my plan with me in is the WONDERLAND222 A6. It's in what I think is an old style Moterm cover. I got it secondhand, so I'm not sure. I've taken the daily pages out of the back because I used them all up. And so now I'm just using it as a weekly overview. Comes with me everywhere, and this is my opportunity to kind of do pretty things. In this planner today, we are going to be planning for the week of Monday, July 10th. I almost just said June. It is July. So yeah, we've got lots of stuff here going on in the next week. Actually, probably not all that much, but I am here doing some planning. And so this is when I chat and plan. Wesson, can you shut your door?
Yeah, once I'm done building this.
So today here in this planner we are doing so we have like a fair few bunch of things going on this upcoming week. It should actually be, I need to put that on there. I'm actually going to see if he will reschedule his appointment. So we have a lot going on this week. My husband is scheduled to, as long as Sunday goes well, he has one plasma donation left in his so much money in 8 plasma donations, and we still have time. So I was kind of hoping that he would be willing. He usually goes Thursdays and Sundays, and I was hoping he would move it, the last one, to Sunday and just not go on Thursday, because we do have I have like a preschool orientation thing that I'm supposed to be at the end of my work day, and typically on the days when he does plasma, I obviously have to get the kids, so it's a whole thing. So I was sort of hoping, I haven't even talked to him about it yet because we just don't talk about that stuff quite that early in the, because he's pretty forgetful and he doesn't really keep track of this kind of stuff. That is what I do. So, I will talk to him about it probably when he gets home today, since I've got it kind of laid out here, and I'm like, oh, I should probably make sure that that's okay with him, because, just because I should make sure it's okay with him before I sign him up for things, so, or change, whatever. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and write in what all these little, dots are here that I have put down. So this week, my son has swimming lessons. Anyone who's been following along knows I kind of split up where I took my kids. My son is going in the same town where we have daycare, so it will be a matter of picking him up quickly from daycare and dropping him or getting him to the pool and then back. And my mom is doing all the transporting this week, and then he also has it next week, and she planning to be out of town, so I will need to do all the transporting next week, but I am putting it on there on my radar because I also need to I just need to make sure that I'm following up and making sure everything is getting done. I'm donating plasma Monday and Saturday this week. That is my plan. My son has T-ball on Tuesday nights when he has pictures. So I'm just gonna put that note in there so that I remember that he has to have pictures. So on Sunday, we've got a lot of stuff going on Sunday. Actually, we have a lot of stuff kind of going on all weekend. I have family in town, one of my mom's brothers. My mom is one of 9, as I've said, and all but one of them lives in Iowa. And all but 2 of them live within 10 miles of where they grew up. So they're all very close, and the one that does live far away comes home once every summer. He's coming home this weekend, but it's kind of exciting because he also has 4 grown children. 3 of those grown children are coming along. The 4th one is stationed in Hawaii, so he cannot just come. And one of them, they have 2 out of their 4 are military children, and their daughter lives in, I think she's in South Carolina right now. But she's coming home, and she has not been home since my grandpa died in 2017, her and her husband. So I am excited to see them. It's going to be a busy weekend doing all those things with family, which is a wonderful kind of busy to be. So, so I'm excited about that. Today is Friday. So on that Sunday, I'm going to put him down for plasma, and then one of my uncles is having like a get-together at his house for that. We also have, let's see, I'm gonna do this. We've actually got a few things. Another uncle is having a bonfire. And I'm not one to leave my kids out late regularly, so I think we're having supper at my mom's, and then I have a sitter coming at like 8. My kids should hopefully be in bed, and then we can go to the bonfire and spend time with all of the adults that are here and visiting and all the fun things. And then neither of us have to like leave early and miss out on the family things. We get to both enjoy that. I'm going to put orientation. Let's see, what do we have here? This actually is really boring. I'm using all of these, or a bunch of these, because I don't do much with the modern colorway from Plum. But these blues felt to me like they would match this like patriotic kind of blue pretty well, but now it's just really all blue and kind of boring, so I don't really love that, but it's already done, so I'm not fixing it. Anyway, so we have a busy weekend coming up next week, and not necessarily super busy, but we'll be out and about and doing lots of stuff with family. Excuse me. Usually aim to do some filming and some editing on Friday. I I know that is an Instagram thing. Like, I'm totally aware. I will need to be doing laundry on Monday. And I have a couple of virtual type things here. I have a Zoom. Oh, maybe it's just one. Okay, so now I gotta add some color. Now we're gonna put red in. Okay, I have a Zoom at 12 on Wednesday. And let's grab, I don't know how I'm going to plan in this planner when all of my home visit stickers are gone, but I'm gonna do the red just to kind of keep in theme. These are Orange Umbrella Co. I bought them like they were retired or whatever they call them, going out of last chance, yeah, being discontinued. So I always try to buy stuff in that, you know, when it's in that time frame kind of thing, because I like to buy things on sale. So I bought a few of them, and so I didn't have to do a custom or anything. There was actually a, you know, something that had this right on the, like, ready for sale, which is, didn't feel super common to me, but it works out. Okay, so I think that's all that I have for work appointments right now anyway. I have a lot of stuff. I'm gonna pop this trash day sticker right up here on Thursday. I heard a door in my yard, so looking out the window, it looks like the mail has arrived. All right, there must be a package of some sort, because the person did not leave it at my mailbox. They brought it all the way up into the garage, which is where they put packages. All right, so I do laundry on Monday. I will definitely be doing laundry on Friday. Say probably again on Sunday. I've just been doing a lot of laundry, to be honest with you. It tends to take forever. Okay, so those are all my laundry icon options. Oh, that's another webinar. Doctor appointment, no school, errands, date night. We do have some so this is a I think the name of the sticker is actually Maggie May Heads to Work from Simple Southern Mommy, but I use it for like it's a little Maggie May, and then there's a cup of coffee and a bunch of paper and a computer. So I kind of do that when I plan like specific office days for myself, which is most definitely what I plan on doing Monday morning. So I had a very busy week this week, and I have a bunch of things that I need to do in the office when I get there on Monday to prepare for the week, as well as to finish out stuff from last week. So, and then I kind of have the same plan for Tuesday morning, so that's why I'm going to put that there. Okay, and then what else? I've got payday. There was something else that I was just thinking of, and then I kind of forgot what it would have been. Just sometimes entirely lose my train of thought. That happens to me pretty frequently. And yeah, I really feel like that's all that I have for actual not day off, that's not what I was looking for. I think this is going to be a pizza night, the supper at my mom's. And I need to put in here that we have to take out the trash. That's my Wednesday night reminder to take out the garbage for trash day on Thursday. I also think that I also need to put, it's not the right one. This is what I'm looking for. Hey bud, do you want to go check the garage? The mail lady just dropped stuff off. Yeah, she pulled into the yard, so she must have put something in the garage. If you want to go check it out. Careful. Okay, so I'm going to put a workout sticker right there. What?
Is this for me?
I have no idea. Like, you'd have to bring it here. I have to look. I don't really know what we ordered. I doubt it. I don't know what it is off the top of my head. Workout. Well, I'll open it in a minute. I don't know for sure.
Can I open it?
I don't care.
Okay. I'll open it in the wallet.
Alright, and then we'll do some mini stickers here for workouts. Workout. Whoops. Workout and workout. And all those days. I was just putting the extra scripts, kind of the random scripts. Please be careful so you don't cut yourself. That would be a bad day. Oh, I'm gonna get 3. I'm gonna get 3 workout scripts out of my all these freebies. Yeah, I got 3 out of 4. That's fun. All right, workout. Okay, so that's my 4 workouts for the week that are on there.
to watch?
Oh, it's mine.
Oh, what else is in here?
I think that's probably it.
Can I open your watch?
Sure.
Can you wear it?
I will.
Take your fake nails off.
They are.
I crossed it in. I crossed it. When can you buy me something? Because the girls have way more shoes than I.
I am going to do some working on organizing on that day. We all need reminders to just keep on breathing. I don't have a study time, nothing to put there. Let's see. Is that it? Do I have any other things next week to put on my calendar? I don't think so. This is kind of what I'm looking at. So that is my spread for next week in the Wonderland 222. This is, I've shared this before, the Take a Note A6. This is just a super messy list for me. This is how I use that. So
How come there's no charger for my watch?
I did a couple of these thingies.
What? Oh, these are my favorite
I
ones.
did that. All right, so when I look at the next week, so that's starting on Monday. I just write some of the bigger it's my note for the kind of am with mom. And then this is just, I'm just gonna put family day and family day. And then I just, what I have been doing is taking a highlighter, any color will do, and just making sure that I am highlighting my work hours. So 7
Get this
to
fucking thing out.
Wesson, please stop before you break it. Bring it here. 7 to 4:30.
Does it work?
Monday through Thursday. And then I will just add my to-do list items each day as things get added to it. That's basically all I'm doing in there. I'm recording what I upload on social media on the monthly. And that's how I use that. So that's pretty basic. So I pulled out something the other day. I was digging through my, filing cabinet at work, and I found and remembered that I had put an old planner in there that I started the year off in and then just decided it was not for me. But I didn't want to get rid of it, so I just took it there and locked it in my filing cabinet, kind of out of sight, out of mind thing, for a while. And I pulled it out the other day. Is this in frame? This is a lot bigger than what I'm used to. Looking at during a plan with me. So I pulled this out and I was just like, oh, I like it. And I had it all like washi taped up, stickers in here. And oh, doing this makes me realize how much I love Alplum's paper. So I just thought I would hop on here and just write a few things in that I have planned for next week that are on my calendar.
Are you still making a video?
And just to get in here and do some writing. I think it's just sort of fun. I do really like the to-do list spot on the bottom. That's really specific. I think all I have to do, like, it's payday, so I will have errands to run. Yeah. Had nothing super anything, but I did just pick it out and just kind of wrote some stuff in it for the week when I was doing it yesterday. So thought that would be kind of fun. I did tear out the monthly because I'm not using the monthly spread and this was feeling kind of chunky. So I'm busy. Please bring me my stuff like I asked. So we'll see if I use this dashboard here, and then I tore out the other side of the dashboard page and the monthly, which left me just starting here. But I don't know, I just thought I'd play in it a little bit when I'm doing some of my writing and just see how it goes. Anyway, that's my randomness there. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below in the comment section. I'd be happy to chat with you. And if you like planning and budgeting content, please consider subscribing to this channel. And until next time, bye guys!